Much more about a multi-agency crime crackdown in Miami's Allapattah neighborhood. Local 10's Nikki Mohan is live with new information tonight. Nikki.
Janine, a few of those defendants named in the indictment appeared here in federal court just a few hours ago. All the agencies worked over 2 years to put these people away. The ATF and FBI, along with local law enforcement, descended on the neighborhood Tuesday. The climax to the 2-year investigation into a gang they say terrorized the residents of the Gwen Cherry housing project in Miami.
The Gwen Cherry housing complex has been plagued by crime and disorder for a number of years. There's a small amount of people who cause this havoc, and there's a large amount of people who deserve to live in peace in that community.
An 11-count indictment detailing racketeering, drug trafficking, and firearms charges on a group called Enterprise. Police say their reign of terror was long and intense.
Defendants and others have conspired to run an enterprise through a pattern of racketeering activity that included threats, robbery, drug trafficking, and even murder.
As residents watch the bus go down, many of them refuse to comment. Police say this gang has been operating out of this community for almost 2 decades. A total of 14 defendants are named in the indictment. 10 are in custody, 4 more on the run.
And I know there's 4 out there that are at large. Heed the warning and turn yourselves in.
Again, several of them appeared in court today. More expected to appear in court tomorrow. Police say this investigation took 2 years because they wanted to have enough evidence to take these folks off the streets for good. At the federal courthouse in Miami, Nikki Mohan, Local 10 News.